Welcome back to another electrifying episode of Spider-Man and Pals. I'm your friendly neighborhood narrator, and today, we're diving into the action-packed Season 2 premiere titled, Electro Glows. Let's swing right into the heart of the action as we witness an intense battle between Electro and Spider-Man. Sparks will fly, quite literally, in this thrilling showdown. In this second season, Spider-Man and his trusty pals are gearing up for even more exciting adventures. From facing off against old foes to tackling new challenges, our heroes are ready to swing into action and save the day once again. As the story unfolds, we find ourselves in a sticky situation. Electro's powers have gone haywire, causing chaos and destruction wherever he goes. It's up to Spider-Man and his team to step up to the challenge and put an end to Electro's rampage before it's too late. With Electro's dangerous abilities on full display, Spider-Man and his pals must come up with a game plan to contain the chaos. From web-slinging acrobatics to high-tech gadgets, our heroes will need to use all their skills to outsmart this electrifying villain. But wait, what's this? A glimmer of hope shines through as Spider-Man and his friends devise a brilliant strategy to take down Electro once and for all. Get ready for a heart-pounding climax as our heroes face their biggest challenge yet. As the dust settles and the battle comes to a close, Spider-Man and his pals emerge victorious. Teamwork, determination, and a dash of Spidey luck save the day once again. This epic showdown sets the stage for what promises to be an electrifying season ahead. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button, drop us a comment, and hit subscribe for more thrilling updates and future episodes of Spider-Man and Pals. Your support means the world to us, so keep those web shooters ready for the next adventure. Thanks for tuning in to Electro Glows. Spider-Man and Pals face off. Until next time, stay spectacular, true believers.